This program is suitable for all audiences.
Good morning and welcome to Morning Talk for another day. I'm Kip Sunbeck.
And I'm Valerie McKenzie here at our home in the Sukhothai, Bangkok. Interesting subject we're going to talk about today.
That's right. Dr. Valerie, do you believe you are what you eat? This is a common phrase in English. You are
Looking
what
at myself,
you eat.
unfortunately, yes.
So,
and yourself?
Yes, absolutely. I think it's very important to know where products came from, what you're eating, who made it, and I think consumers nowadays, compared to say 20, 30 years ago, they want to know everything.
Sure.
And with modern technology, we actually have the ability to tell them everything. So when you go shopping in a supermarket, for example, if you want to know where chicken's from, you can actually find out now where chicken is from. And that's very much the subject of today, is barcode technology that Thailand is adopting at a very rapid rate, which will actually give us a lot of advantages in selling chicken and mangoes and every other product all around the world, not just in Thailand, but it's also great news for a Thai consumer as well.
Very much so. And I guess that more and more consumers are becoming more demanding, and they need to know, there is the need to know, not just in Thailand but around the world. So I think that with the technology we've got here, I think it's a pilot project at the moment, but it's going to get bigger and it's something that we're all going to need.
So we're going to be talking today very much about barcode technology and its impact through this pilot project on Thai consumers as well as the foreign markets as well. It's with great pleasure that I first introduce from the National Bureau of Agricultural Commodity and Food Standards, the ACFS. It's a very long department title that you work for. He's the Director of Information and Technology Centre. We have Kun Pon Prom Chai. Thank you very much for joining us on Morning Talk. Good morning. And also from the private sector, the guy who provides all the software, the barcode technology for a huge number of companies actually here in Thailand, but specifically for this pilot project as well. We have Kun Chetha Udom Wong, the Chief Operating Officer of FXA Company Limited. So thank you for joining us at DCAP. Now, first of all, I suppose I want to understand, what is the state of barcode technology in Thailand at the moment? I mean, all products seem to have them. Isn't that enough?
In food industry.
In the food industry.
That's right, yeah. We are introducing the barcode system at the farm level at the moment. Formerly, the people in the supply chain, particularly at the downstream, they heavily use barcode system extensively. And now we would like to extend the application of this barcode system to the farm level as well.
Okay, so at the moment, or in the past, the barcode tells you, okay, this stock, this batch, this product sells for this much, it came in on this day, it's going to leave on that day. But now what you're saying is the barcode will have additional information that says, this product came from Kun Somchai in Saraburi.
Exactly.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a lot of information.
That's a lot of information, but very important. For example, if there's a disease like swine flu or bird flu, you know that you wouldn't buy a chicken from, let's say, Saraburi or wherever if there was an outbreak in that area.
So with the information we provide through the barcode system, a consumer can avoid buying the products that may be defected or
to look at it more.
Recall. I mean,
yes.
Actually, I think that's a very important issue. It might be that we all know that, but maybe sometimes the supermarkets, perhaps overseas, are not necessarily familiar. They'll either take everything off the shelf. Now, they would only have to take off the shelf that came from that particular area.
They will have limit scope for the recall, so the trade is not disturbed.
No, I think that's. I mean, I think that is going to extremes as I see it, but the benefits are very, very many, aren't they?
So if we actually break it apart, I suppose there are two groups that are going to use this new barcode technology all the way to a farmer level. There's the consumers, people like us, that are just interested, and there is also the supermarkets and the business-to-business, so-called, that probably need to know this information anyway, particularly for recalls. So the main benefit to the business-to-business sector is being able to manage their merchandise if there's a problem. Is that correct?
Correct. It can use more than that. It can use for inventory control, because the food product have expired date. So you want to exactly, you know, the first that come in have to the first out.
Yes.
Not the last one come in and come out. So you know, you don't have anything spoil in your inventory. That is already using for the supermarket chains that not only use barcode to trace back, but also use to manage the inventory. And in the future, they can, you know, let the supplier manage their own inventory, because, you know, they have the barcode telling that, you know, this one already sold. So instead of they have the supermarket have to manage the inventory, just let the supplier manage by themselves, because, you know, the supplier know that when the product
Has sold, then they have to ship
Alright.
another
they
one.
have to just, you know, replenish, you know, to
So it's going to make life a lot easier, actually. It's going to be very much everything done by computer.
Yeah.
You know, they don't have to
Automatically,
physically go
yes.
to the store
correct.
to actually go through one by one.
Now, we actually have an example of a product using this system already in the UK. So this is
Yes.
Asda, as I recall, isn't it?